Hey guys, this is Fundo on Wanchupalama. Tonight on Uzalo, Jeza following Wanda to his secret hideout, but he putting his life in danger for getting Nonka out of jail, and he wants to bring Wanda on jail. And Jeza call Lily, telling them that he following Wanda and he wants to take him to go to police station. But Lily tell Jeza that he must leave him, and he make the phone on the loudspeaker and Mondly hear that Jeza is following Wanda and they goes to follow him with Lily. While Nosipho is celebrating the Women's Day, and the purpose is to bring back the customer after the harbor was closed, and customer wants to be aware that the harbor is open now, and they bring their celebrating of African chaka chaka. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.